I've had this higher Kegerator for at least 10 years, bought it from Sam's Club, and it's worked flawlessly every day up until recently. It just conked out. I first checked the capacitor and it was fine. Then I decided to check out the relay. After struggling to get this off, I found that there was a burn mark behind the relay. When I did a Google search, practically all the parts for this Kegerator have been discontinued. Luckily, I found this number on the relay and did a search of that, and I found this on Amazon. I put the relays side by side and transferred the wires one by one to make sure I put them on the right terminal.
Well, what the hell do you know?
I plugged the Kegerator back in, and wouldn't you know, it works. Don't give up too easy. You may find your part. Good luck, guys.